At Norfolk Southern, welding is one of many trades vital to the success of our company. It's so important we run our own welding center at our training facility in McDonough, Georgia. Here, aspiring welders learn the science and the art of welding metal. It's not an easy skill to learn, and training can be costly. That's why Norfolk Southern partnered with Lincoln Electric, a world leader in advanced welding technologies, to explore even more efficient ways to teach this important skill. Now, before our students ever burn rods in the shop, they step inside a virtual welding lab. This immersive virtual reality experience gives students a chance to learn in a controlled environment. The training is realistic, and instructors are able to provide real-time feedback. And with an instant replay, student and instructor can see where improvements are needed. The training is hyper-realistic, down to the different sounds a burning rod makes based on arc length. This sound is a key indicator as to whether or not the arc length is too long or too short. The VR machines also score each virtual weld using several metrics, such as travel speed and work angle. The virtual reality welding machines pay for themselves two ways. First, in the reduction of consumables, such as metal plates and welding rods. Second, the time it takes to qualify a welder is dramatically shortened. Using virtual reality to train welders. We are Norfolk Southern, and this is one way we reimagine possible.